Colbys will be back in a moment.
Taste a flame-broiled Whopper, double Whopper, or Whopper Junior. The way you like it. Original. Just like you. Burger King, the best food for fast times.
Imagine changing brown eyes to blue. Introducing Dura Soft Colors, the only contact lenses that give you the power to change your eyes from any color to another. And that kind of power can be a very dangerous thing. Ask your eye care professional about Dura Soft Colors contact lenses for vision correction or just for fun.
The war on pornography. Doing society a favor or threatening free expression.
Pornography is the scapegoat here.
Watch 2020 next.
This is Sam Donaldson. Later tonight on Nightline, the scandal of biblical proportions that threatens to destroy the PTL ministry. Among our guests, the Reverends Jerry Falwell and Rex Humbard.
This is Charles Gibson.
And Joan London. Tomorrow on Good Morning America, date rape. We'll hear from victims and find out how women can fight back.
Also, Danielle Steele, Jack Lemmon, and Victoria Principal on Good Morning America.
Saturday at 8, 7 Central, a boy lost in this world turns to someone from another. Starman at his new day and time. Now stay tuned for 2020 next on ABC.
Anyone who offers you crack is not your friend. Say no. You be the boss.
Sometimes life can get a little crazy.
Half of my psychotics are walking around under the influence of aspirin.
I'm gonna blow you away.
And just over the edge.
What are you doing?
I forgot where I parked my car.
There's a place they call Mariah. Premier.
This is 24 News Brief, brought to you by K98 FM.
Good evening, I'm Judy Maggio. Surgeon General C. Everett Koop told Texas lawmakers today the AIDS epidemic is a disproportionately large threat to blacks and Hispanics. Koop called for the increased education about sexual matters, including AIDS. State budget writers, constrained by a lack of money, have tentatively set aside $1.3 million.
Dave Cody at 5, 6, and 10, only on Channel 7 News.
Maggio, have you seen Dura?
Not yet.
That's in trouble.
Poor Barbara. She took a cold medicine for a stuffy nose.
Beginning Friday, January 15th.
Get your picture taken with a dead rock star.
What's going on here? Why don't you just go dig up Elvis?
Sledge rattles and rolls to a new night in time.
Dirty, filthy, foul-mouthed scum.
Hey, you ever thought about writing lyrics?
Catch Sledge Hammer's act Fridays starting January 15th.
Now that's entertainment.
Good. Thank you.
Good news. Trust me, I know what I'm doing.
Sledge Hammer, brought to you by Ivory Shampoo and Conditioner. For hair with no heavy buildup, leave your hair feeling ivory clean.
Did you put a little of this in your hair this morning?
No, what is it?
The oil, the wax, the fatty ingredients in some shampoos and conditioners.
Ugh.
Over time, this is what leaves a heavy buildup.
I don't want that in my hair.
But new Ivory's different. Pure. It cleans and conditions without a lot of the stuff that leaves a heavy buildup. Ivory cleans gently and thoroughly. New Ivory shampoo and conditioner leave your hair feeling
Put
ivory
a 12-ounce
clean.
keg in your hand.
Tomorrow.
There's a bad storm coming.
You know it's true.
Rain!
You weren't going to throw away this perfectly good money, were you? If I were you, I'd spend it real quick.
It's a new night and time for Spenser For Hire.
Nighttime sniffling, sneezing, coughing, aching, stuffy head, fever, so you can rest medicine. In original or new cherry flavor.
Tonight on 2020,
Without knowing it, you could be scarring your child for life.
You disgust me.
Find out if you're emotionally abusing your kids on 2020 next.
Hammer, once again, I have orders to reprimand you.
Oh, come on. I couldn't have gotten in trouble. My gun's been in the shop for...
This is 24 News Brief, brought to you by Circle C Ranch.
Good evening, I'm Robert.
I feel like I wanna be feeling. Look at the smile on my lips. I've got that M&M's feeling right at my fingertips. So carefree, they sit and eat plan. Milk chocolate melts in your mouth, not in your hand. You wanna grab onto that M&M's feeling. Nobody has a taste like Friskies. Nobody has a flavor like Friskies. Nobody brings out the frisky in your cat like the double-coated flavor of Friskies. Nobody's just frisky. To tell us how frisky you are, you could go to Hollywood, win $10,000, be in a Friskies commercial. See packets for details. Hurry, enter today.
You were right about the articles, Don. This is a fascinating essay on ethics and morality in politics today.
And something's wrong with this man. Do you know what it is?
I'm not wearing my gun.
Sledge Hammer. It's a great night for comedy on ABC Friday.
Top of the morning, LA. It's a bright, sunshiny day. Make the mark of the Merc at 74 degrees. Perfect for fun, and more fun.
And happy holidays to your family from ours at H-E-B.
A Christmas gift idea that preserves the past. The story at 10.
Hi, Wes. Hi, Mr. Bellyflop.
Angela?
My parents signed the consent form so I can go.
Back to Pluto, I hope.
Life is more than mere survival, and we just might live a good life yet.
Discover the fragrance of America. Lady Stetson. You're free. Playing in the big leagues. Country proud. With a fragrance all your own. Lady Stetson. Capturing the essence and spirit of the American woman. An exciting blend of contrasts, like America itself. Lady Stetson.
If you've put off shopping till now, come to the JCPenney 2-day weekend holiday sale this Friday and Saturday, where you'll find terrific store-wide savings. Because good things do come to those who wait.
JCPenney.
Butterball made Thanksgiving delicious. So for the holidays, enjoy another deep-basted Butterball turkey. Every slice is juicy.
It's very juicy. It's a Butterball.
Fresh or frozen, it's been the perfect holiday recipe for over 30 years.
Liquid bleach. Brightly colored clothes.
His partner, the incomparable Katarina Witt. Their masterpiece, hot, sultry skating like you've never seen before. At ABC Sports First, Brian Boitano's Canvas of Ice, Monday before ABC's Monday Night Football.
TV, Austin.
That special feeling on 24.
Give, joy,
Built-in flash. You want a camera that's easier and more fun than that? You're not gonna get it. This is one kiss I'm not gonna miss. I'm gonna get you with the Kodak disc.
We now return to Ziggy's gift.
It's an all-temperature cheer. Look for the bright red ribbon on family-size boxes of all-temperature cheer. It means special holiday savings from us to you.
Premiering next Thursday. When crime gets too close and there's nowhere to turn.
No one's safe.
There's only one way to go.
What is this?
It's the team that's cleaning up the streets.
This is not real, it's an illusion.
Automan is here for the 80s.
You took your time getting here.
Next Thursday at 8, 7 Central and Mountain.
We now return to Ziggy's gift.
In 1 week.
The United States of America would like to invite you to come spy with me.
Made the grade for Levi Ford. Taking notes on Levi Ford.
Shop the Wal-Mart way for the holidays and stay in style with American Style. Only at Wal-Mart. These dress wedges make everyone look terrific. Just $6.82. American Style. And these dress wedges of leather and wood will keep you stepping in style. Now a fantastic $12.86. American Style. Save more now through Saturday. Shop the Wal-Mart way.
Savings with low prices every day. That's the Wal-Mart way. Wal-Mart way.
Election News Update. We've got the people, we've got the news.
We'll return to Christmas Comes to PacLand after these messages.
Okay, hit it, Becky. We're all ears.
Uh-oh.
Aren't you going to play our song for us?
I kind of forgot it.
How about having a bowl of Rice Krispies and we'll give you a hand?
How about a foot?
It's fun to put Snap, Crackle, Pop into your morning.
Now I remember.
Kellogg's Rice Krispies cereal, part of this complete breakfast.
Into your morning.
Guess I got too keyed up.
Kodak presents 4 new 35mm color print.
Why did he put out his hand? He put out his...
For versatility, for action, for low light, New for all Kodak your
Color
VR disc film.
We now continue with Christmas Comes to PacLand.
Let's shove them.
We'll return to Christmas Comes to PacLand after these messages.
Ronald McDonald meets the professor.
Professor's top secret laboratory is around here somewhere. Ah! Hi, Professor.
Ronald, you're just in time to meet my new invention.
I'm the Chicken McNugget diplomatic.
It dips McDonald's Chicken McNuggets into your choice of 4 sauces. Here goes. Oh.
Oh, God.
What happened to the McNugget?
He couldn't wait.
I ate them all.
I knew it is more.
McDonald's, Ronald and you.
Hi there.
Hi there.
Very good.
Very good. I'm Morgan the Mockingbird. I want to sing with flavor like Kellogg's plump, juicy raisins.
Raisins?
2 scoops of raisins are the reason. Kellogg's Raisin Bran so pleasing.
I ripen 2 scoops of raisins for every box as part of this nutritious breakfast.
2 scoops of raisins in Kellogg's Raisin Bran.
2 scoops.
2 scoops. 2 scoops.
We said that.
We said that. 2 scoops. 2 scoops.
Premiering next Thursday, from out of the video arcade and onto the streets of the city.
What in the name of heaven was that?
Comes a new superhero.
Hello, Automan. Welcome.
And when crime is out of control and there's no help in sight, there's only one team that's got the right stuff.
Hang on, Wally.
Automan, taking crime fighting into a new dimension. Premiering next Thursday at 8/7 Central and Mountain, right before the premiere of Masquerade.
We now continue with Christmas Comes to PacLand.
Claus is coming to Hancock Center this Friday morning at 10. So come get your picture taken with Santa Friday and Saturday for just $1.
Hancock is on your way, close to you.
From the capital of Texas, this is 24.
The thing is, how do we get this spy out of the house? Well,